Hey friends, this is Soham here, and I'm going to show you guys how to access your apps inside Pop and also how you can share your Pop cards while being in loop. Now when I click on the Pop eye here, it opens up to many apps. Let's just go ahead and check out what these apps are. Amazon, Facebook, Google, Twitter, Instagram, Camera, Gallery, YouTube, 9gags and InShots. Did you guys just notice that how I could quickly and smoothly swipe over my thumb over all of these apps without even lifting it once? This is called the most promising feature of Pop, and that's the continuous touch, wherein I can access all of these apps without even tapping over it. Now let's just go ahead and create a Pop card with the help of this continuous touch. I'm on Instagram right now, and let's create a Pop card on this. To create a Pop card, I just have to tap on this mouse icon, and I'll create a Pop card with the help of the continuous touch and without lifting my thumb for once. Now here's the video sticker. You know my birthday is coming up. Now the text bubble. I really like this t-shirt. Now the video sticker again. Do you know what to get me this time? And one more video sticker, I guess. You can select something else too as well. And maybe a check it out sticker here. Perfect. Now I can just arrange all the videos here. Have a check it out sticker here. Just choose a nice shape for my text bubble. Doodle around this. And it's ready to share it with my friend. Just like this. After the Pop card is shared, I can just slide down the Pop menu just like this and continue enjoying my Instagram feed. I can have a similar experience on YouTube as well. Here I can go on YouTube, select for a nice video. Now that's the latest song that's come up. I can just create a nice Pop card on this, maybe with a video sticker. I am eagerly waiting for this movie, and I know this song is going to be a big hit. I can just place it here, quickly share it with my friend, like this. Tap on the Pop wall, continue listening to the song. Again, create another Pop card. This time I can choose a bubble. Listen to it from this point. I can add emoji as well and share it with my friend quickly again. Perfect. And now I can again just slide back and continue listening to the song. Isn't this interesting? So guys, did you also see that how fun and interesting it is to access all of your apps in Pop, and also how you can share all of your Pop cards while being in loop? So go ahead and try it out. Till then, I'll be back with some more exciting videos and Pop features. Do not forget to like and subscribe. See ya!